What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finna show you guys how to make Southern Style cabbage. You know what I mean? Let's get into it. Here we go. Putting these leaves off. Finna show you guys how I cut my cabbage. You know what I mean? Straight down the middle. You know what I mean? Get the core out of it. Gotta take that hard part out right there. Yep. And I got some salt pork that I'm finna throw into it. First time I ever used it, you know what I mean? But I couldn't find the meat that I wanted to use in the store I was in. So my uncles told me, you know what I mean, try to get the salt pork. You know how them old cats be. Yeah, but it is what it sounds like. Salt pork, it's real salty, you know what I mean? So if you use that, go light on it. Yeah, this is how you this is how I cut my cabbage. Real easy, you know what I mean? Ain't too much to it. It's an easy dish you can make, you know, any day of the week. You know, you add your meat to it, whatever meat you want to add to it. You ain't gotta add no meat. But here we go. I'm gonna cook the salt pork down. Brown it up a little bit. But yeah, I love cabbage, you know what I mean? I eat cabbage at least, 4 times a month. Probably more. So yeah, I can make it all different ways. Yeah, we're just cooking the salt pork up a little bit. Now we're gonna remove it, add it, put it on a napkin, let the grease, drain the grease off of it. Yeah, that salt pork is real salty. Real salty. I mean, real. Finna brown my green peppers. Finna add slap your mama in it. Gotta have that slap your mama. Get a little kick. Now we adding the salt pork in. Go add the cabbage. A little bit at a time. I need a bigger pot. Going in with the garlic pepper, onion powder, Everglades seasoning, all purpose. Going in with some Saison. Get a little stir. And when you're making cabbage, you do not have to add water. It makes its own water. Here we go. I'm adding the rest of my cabbage in. First, I'm cook down a little bit. But you can add butter to it if you want, you know what I mean? Here we go. I added the rest of my salt pork in there. Now I'm finna cover it up and let it go. It don't really take that long. Yeah, we about there already. You know what I mean? It's like 15 minutes after. So we ain't quite there yet. I ain't got that texture that I want. But this is it. You know what I mean? Still got a little crunch to it, but it's soft too at the same time. It ain't too soft. But this is it. Finished product. Cabbage. You know what I mean? Southern style. Can't go wrong with it. Off the chain. But yeah, thank y'all for, watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Be blessed.